Now what I love about the iCompanion Excel is the removable attachment. So each attachment has a function, but when it's finished, it is just simply removed. I'm going to describe what each attachment does and why I think they are so great. So this is the Ultra Blade attachment, and this is perfect for all of your cutting and your mincing. So mincing your meat, blending your smoothies, your soups, that's the attachment you use, and it just pops in like that. And when you're finished, when it's finished with its task, it simply comes out, and then you're ready for the next attachment. The next attachment you receive is your mixer. Now this is ideal for what it does. It mixes your food without you having to sit there and mix it yourself. So perfect for risottos, your stews, your chutneys, your jams. That's what we'll use the mixer for. Your next attachment is your whisk, which is sensational for your fluffy mashed potato, whisking and emulsifying your mayonnaise, making pavlovas, and of course your whipped cream. That's what you use your whisk for. And finally, my favorite, your kneading and crushing blade. So at a low speed, this does all of your kneading for your pastries and your breads. And at a high speed, of course, it crushes your ice for those cocktails in the summertime or your nuts to make your own almond meal. All of these attachments are unique to Tefal, and they're really easy to use, really easy to insert and remove when you need. The iCompanion Excel also comes with a steaming attachment, which again turns your food processor into a steamer. So it's really, really easy to steam. You just have to fill up your bowl up to the 700 ml mark with water, and then we pop that back in. And then your steaming basket fits right inside your bowl. So steaming possibilities are endless. You can put some baking paper in that and steam a frittata. You can steam some salmon, some fish, some dumplings. It really takes your cooking food processor to that next level.